Installing pip via installing Python packages pip and bit of a culture shock if you come from original pip install. On inside the global file system is read-only by design if you are trying to standard method 1 could clean next shell. Okay. Method 2 global. So this is the global. Like what if I modularize it and have a separate module that is then included within my configuration? So it would be like cd/etc nixos and have sudo win python.net and splitting the configuration is about okay python.net and we're just like that sudo nixos dash variables switch. Okay, so there is already an error. Hmm. Sudo win python. Okay, so the error is did I just type in sudo win python? So packages environment system packages. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this. Okay, I think I mistyped something. So it's just like saying that it can either be east or west. So that buttons. I have pip and TK installed. So yeah. Okay, so the The repository name was right. I was just using a separate GitHub account. So it's this and my projects. Okay. In here we simply go and we are random one dimension. Cd random cd random walk dimensions. Uh, get my projects random walk and name it main.py. Okay, so the random walk would be on a linear line. It can either move to the left or the right, and it would be the movement of the turtle would be based upon the uh, a coin flip. If it's zero, then it will move to the left, and if it's one, it will move to the right. But the first thing is, can I import TK as turtle equals to turtle dot turtle. Turtle comes with TK, right? Oh no, it's turtle. It's a separate module is actually built on top of Tkinter. When you run a standalone turtle program, it automatically runs this hidden Tkinter window under. Yes, it will be as Tk. So import turtle. This is a separate thing. So which means that I need to python.mix and let's just put in there turtle. Turtle. Sudo Nixos that we go switch. Okay, let's see if that gets installed. Projects, random walk, py import, turtle. Yes, it's picking up. Now let's go um, wm for the Windows turtle dots screen and t. Turtle, oops, turtle, that, and we're gonna check the OS. Okay, so it would work on a straight line. And also we need to provide an input. The uh, input guy input which would be of type int uh, enter iterations for the number of iterations. But go and this will also go with it. Okay, so the turtle will move from left to right, and this would be based on the iterations. But also there is a coin flip happening as well. So which means that we have to import random as well. So we are going to have a coin flip, which is going to be equal to random dot random between 0 and 2. correct. Now, if this would be within a for I in range n, for I in range this, then in a denominator it will be between 0 and 1. And if coin equals to 0, t dot left 180 because the turtle would be facing the right. Wait, we need another condition. If and we're gonna come here and go to position equals to plus 1, and then t dot set x equals to that position times 10. If coin equals to 1, okay, so this will be moving to the right, to the left, and position would be equals to plus 1, and t dot set x position times 10. And then at last turtle dot down. Let's just go Python main.py. Iterations 10. That's it. Okay, so there was an error. We just 10. Okay, it's again stuck. Is it because of this? There is no return statement here, right? Okay. Now here we're going to go Alex dot speed 1 wm dot exit on click. Okay, so it was just moving forward and backwards. Let's just come here. Let's say if it's say 100. Just moving back and forth. then the position. So test equals to. So I shouldn't be overriding it. Is that the only error? Position. Now everything is right, now everything is left. +1 and -1. Now it kind of worked. Okay, and then okay, so this is the only place where I was hanging out. Okay, I see the difference. Your original code, the turtle would flicker back and forth between -40 and 40. It will never go to 80. Oh, okay. And okay, so now it's done perfectly. Because that uses absolute coordinates, so that's the problem. It was using absolute coordinates. Like if it's 40, it would only move to +40 or -40. It wouldn't go or move beyond that. You don't even need to track position. So like in a situation where it was -40, it would move back to -40. But if in another iteration it would also be -40 again, it would move beyond -40 or less than -40 because it was already at -40 because set x gives us the absolute coordinate. Manually, if you just want total default, you could use this and this, but tracking position is better because print step size. Yeah, if this would have been, but I would need to know about my current angle and then okay, perfect. So now a random walk in 1D. Now we need to set up. Oops. Get to my projects. And here just simply create another file with the name of random walk 2D. Now we will start, and the first thing to do is I equals to 0 while I is less than 10. We need a point flag point equals to random dot randint 0 and 1. And now if point equals to 0, random, no, not t dot for left, t dot right 90 degrees, and t dot forward. And if point equals to 1, t dot left 90 degrees, and t dot, oops, t dot forward. And that's pretty much it for random walk 2D. Okay, so iterations 10. Okay, so I made it. Yep, a big one. I plus equals to. There we go. Now run it. 10. Perfect. And now we will just simply give it to our instructor and ask if it's done correctly for 2D random walk. Okay. Now, one tiny improvement, your code uses two separate if statements. So if I just simply give it an else, okay, automatically means point one and it's less than 90 forward. Yeah, that could be done. Yeah, because it's an extra computational power that's being wasted for for no reason. So just giving it an else would be perfect. Okay. Yeah. So it practically does the same thing. Why do I see this line being longer than this one? Since it is 40, either. What? Why? I don't know. It's 40 and 40. Oh, well, whatever. Want to make it look cooler? Sleep inside. Add delay. Yeah, we could do that. Calculate distance from the start and choose color. And Alex dot draw starting dot so you remember where it's in percentage. Like movement is equals to 40. Why is it that this is short? Now this is 40. This is 40. Now this is short. This is 40. This is short again. This is 40. Short, short, and then 40. What? Oh, well, it works. That is. Okay, so I know what random walk is, and so is the formula that was mentioned, I believe. Yeah. So here it is. It's the addition of each and every single step that has been taken from the initial point to add up to all the flips to get to your position. If you start at 0, your position xt after t number of steps would be this. It begins with initial and so. Well, the reason I'm doing this because I recently had my exam in stochastic, and random walk was one of the topics that I, the teacher taught and was included within our exam, and I didn't know what was going on, and I was scared that I would fail, but luckily I didn't. So yeah.